People, I am Prophet, and today I'm gonna talk about intelligent ants. Yes, this is a story, and I'm gonna talk about this because I would like to talk about a story through a mechanism of the reality also. Think about this. Ants have ants are so disciplined creatures. Yeah, we know that we know that ants are so disciplined and consistent creatures ever. They can do everything so fast and so disciplined. There is no, yes, bees also can do that, but this can't compare to ants. Ants are so powerful creatures, and also ants is a bit intelligent. If we compare the ants to humans only be powerful because humans, yes, scientists say that human DNA before millions of years ago, human DNA had a mutation, and this mutation make us intelligent but also weak. And I'm gonna talk about this. If we triggered or maybe evolution triggered this DNA mutation in the DNA of ants, and ants get small intelligence, which normal logical intelligence, which we call this, which we call what in intelligence is. They get this intelligence. If they have this intelligence, what will happen? Which we know ants exist and survive through a colony, through their colonies, which millions of ants are there. Now think about, if these millions of ants, which are colonies, have the colony intelligence through their small intelligence, which was triggered by the DNA mutation, which is completely likely what made human intelligent. This also like that. And think about this, what this colony intelligence can make and how much it can get intelligent. If one ant has the small intelligence, like 1 or 3 neurons in the intelligence of human brain, then there are millions or billions of ants. But there is a thing we should understand. Normal human brain, yes, have 86, almost 86 billions of neurons, but these neurons are not we can't use all of these neurons, complete all of their potential, through all of their potential. But ants can use their all potential and require the colony intelligence so much powerful than normal human intelligence. But this is only one colony. It's so small but so powerful compared to human intelligence. Think about this: millions of billions of intelligence, small level intelligent ants. Firstly, what they do? Firstly, they will do tools. Yes, how can we do that? Example, uh, they will not try to get this their what is that? Yes, their what they eat, and the things, they will not get this through their power. They will get this through their tools. They will try to make tools to do these things, which is this is what the intelligence is in human brain, and they also get this in intelligence, so they can do this also. After, when they do this, they also have the intelligence which much more IQs, mean thousands or hundreds of thousands of IQs compared to human intelligence. This is human intelligence is nothing in nothing beside all this intelligence. Compare this intelligence. What can what what possibilities can be possible? There, what probabilities can possible in this case? We can't understand this possibilities. Think about it. Almost hundreds of thousands of IQ of a human. Think about a human have hundreds of thousands of IQ. He can do anything. He can solve any problem. He can understand any situation and manipulate anything. And think about this about ants. Yes, ants are have not the ability to talk, but they can understand what means to talk, and they can understand how can we manipulate to make sounds what creatures understand, and they slowly, what is that, they slowly capture the world, and they can literally, not literally, can invade human countries. How? We should understand. Ants are so many. I have no idea. Maybe all the scientists have no idea. Ants are so many, not billions. We're talking about quadrillions. I have no idea. Think about these quadrillions have the intelligence can make how they can do things. This is so beautiful, isn't it? This is all about the intelligence. How may we so powerful? Also, this intelligence can make the ants so powerful. Why do I think about this? Because you also know Phineas and the Ferb movie series, cartoon series. When I watched this, I also saw a small part of this this in the episode. I don't remember which episode. They talk about ants, and they how I don't know, make the ants a bit intelligent. After that, ants get so much power, and get so much intelligent. Yes, they did not capture the world because this is a cartoon series, and kids watch this. But in the reality, they can capture the world because they are animals. We are animals. We capture the world, and they can likely capture the world like that. And this means they can replace humans at the top of the food chain. This is complete frustrating thing humans have ever heard. If we have no power to survive and exist, how can we be alive? How can we continue to reproduce? Let's reproduce. So what we need, we never should do. Actually, we should do experiment on animals. Maybe yes, we should do experiment on humans. This is not legitimate. But if we do experiment on animals, we should completely understand that what we are going to do. If we literally make animals intelligent, these animals can replace the can replace humans at the top of the food chain. This is completely frustrating thing. This is so sad for humans, for us. We need to be the powerful to exist, to be alive. If you like this video, you can also like my other videos, and you can also click the like button and click the subscribe button and can subscribe. And this is normal thing you can do every time. Also, you can do this for my channel. Normal thing, you never will pay money for this. So if you like this video, please be alive and be intelligent. I am Prophet.